The lifespan of current transformers and potential transformers can vary depending on several factors. Firstly, the type of transformer. Secondly, operating conditions such as load and temperature. And thirdly, the maintenance and calibration schedule. In general, current transformers and potential transformers can have a lifespan of 20 to 30 years or even longer with proper maintenance and calibration. However, it is important to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for inspections and recalibration to ensure accuracy and safety. Using current transformers or potential transformers over their rated voltage or current can cause several issues. Overloading can overheat the transformer, reducing its lifespan and accuracy. Overloading can increase the temperature of the transformer, which can alter its magnetic properties and measurement accuracy. Using current transformers or potential transformers outside their rated limits can affect the accuracy of the kWh meter readings. It is crucial to use current transformers and potential transformers within their specified ratings to maintain accuracy and prevent potential safety hazards. Reconditioned kWh meters can generally provide accurate energy measurements if they have been properly refurbished and calibrated. Reputable suppliers typically follow strict procedures to restore the meters to their original specifications. However, it is important to consider the following potential effects. Firstly, recalibration. Reconditioned kWh meters should be recalibrated to ensure accuracy. Secondly, previous usage. The history of the meter, including any previous damage or repairs, can affect its performance. Thirdly, warranty. Reconditioned kWh meters may have a shorter warranty compared to new ones. To ensure reliable energy measurements, it is recommended to procure reconditioned kWh meters from a reputable supplier and verify their calibration and warranty before installation.